man.
It's pretty ridiculous.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to DerekBaranProductions for another video. I hope everybody's having a great day, and thank you all so much for tuning in. Before we jump into today's content, if you could do me just two really important things, well, technically three if you're trying to be a absolute savage. Number one, drop a like up on this video. All the likes, all the interactions truly help these videos get out. Number two, drop a comment, say what's up, let me know how your day's going. I go and read every comment. I try to respond to every single one, and truthfully, I don't know any other creator that goes out of their way to do that. So I do greatly appreciate that. Thing number three, please watch this video in its full entirety. Today we have an absolute banger because you probably have recognized this location for many reasons, but this location is truly special, and we do have a pretty crazy story that's gonna revolve about 5 years ago and then now 5 years later, and you can tell by the title and thumbnail, pretty cool car's gonna land on the channel, and he's about to pull up. So we have Hades here behind me. Car is still absolutely disgusting. I don't really want to show any closer because it's horrendous, it really is, but the car is going in for a ceramic the car is going in for a ceramic coating Monday, right before Mustang Fest. Have a few things on order just to kind of tidy it up for the trip, but I'm really looking forward to it. I'm excited to get out of Richmond, Virginia, head down to Myrtle for the whole week and just make a ton of content. And speaking about Mustang Fest, we are going to touch up on it later this week, but I am bringing 70 Mustang Fest shirts. It's going to be the first of its kind. So if you're in the area, come snag one. Come snag one. It's going to be worth it because who knows, Mustang Fest could potentially be the next big thing. I'm jealous.
Had to upgrade, man. Had to upgrade.
Jesus, dude.
Couldn't be a part of that 3Valve life no more.
Bro, not only did you upgrade, but you kind of shat all over my upgrade. And the fact is, it's just like, this is the dream S550 for a lot of NA people.
Oh yeah. Well, and like for me, I like the new 500. Don't get me wrong. I think they make insanely good power, but I gotta have 3 pedals. It's the way God intended.
Dude, no joke. I mean, I can respect that, especially a 350. The driving experience, a lot of people don't understand.
That Tremec is bliss.
And just like having all the RPMs in the world, like it just doesn't get better. But really quick, before we jump into, obviously, Gordon's brand new to him GT350, we have to go hop in the time machine and we have to discuss one video. And a video in particular that was like actually my first video that ever got traction.
Snowbra?
It was Snowbra.
What can I say? I like snakes.
Yeah, we know. pickleplanet.net/Gordon. I don't even know how exactly to start this. If you're an OG, what was that, 5-6 years ago? It was when I first started.
It was 2016.
Dude, 2016. If you guys have been around 6 years ago at this very parking lot, Gordon and I went and we had to make a video based around a, was it 99 Cobra?
Yeah, 99.
It was a 99 Cobra, also known as Snowbra. The weather conditions are a bit different. It was freezing that day. It was like 20 degrees when we came here to make that video, but
it really was Snowbra.
yeah,
you know?
pretty much that video revolved around Gordon somehow picking up a 99 Cobra for just $500, and I'm gonna go ahead and replay that clip right here.
Today we are here with Snowbra, and this is his recent purchase. 1999 Mustang Cobra. One sec. How much did you pay for the car?
$500.
Say that again. I don't think
$500. 500. No more zeros after that.
5,000?
No, 500.
He bought this car for $500. Now, before we get into it, it is originally electric green. She goes.
Well, there you have it. That is the first official video of like pretty much the building block of DBP. Gordon got a hell of a deal on Snowbra. Obviously, I had blue 2Valve at the time, and you know, it really took off. And it seems like we got a little WRX here. Were they saying some shit? Man, they could catch the gap low key.
They could.
Either car can fucking, I don't care, all-wheel drive or not.
This car, with it being the 8,250 Redline, it just seemed perfect to me. You know, 526 horsepower NA out of the box crank. Tremec transmission, Magnaride, and the interior is just beautiful. Without Magnaride, I feel like they don't feel like you're like getting that real like driving experience. Kind of feels like more like you're driving like a Cadillac. So that's why I stuck with S187 for a long time. But then my buddy Ryan was like, hey, you should look into 350s. And I was like, I completely forgot about those cars. Because it used to be a really big dream car of mine. When Ford announced it in 2015, I remember seeing the red line and I was just like, how is that even possible out of an American V8? That's stuff you only see out of Ferrari. And, you know, I basically had a lot of friends with them, and I set out my search in May. Many hours, many sleepless nights trying to find the perfect Shelby for me. I got basically 2 of them sold out from under me, and then one dealership was trying to scam me on one, and I finally had enough, and I was like, all right, you know what, it's just gonna have to be a thing where like it's gonna have to come to me. And this is posted on Marketplace. I found it for a really good price. I paid a lot less than retail. We'll just go double digits below retail is what I paid for this. Then we got the Verus, I think is how you pronounce it, engineering.
All carbon.
Spoiler.
That looks sick.
Which some people might not like this. It is functional. It's 880 pounds of downforce at I think 160 miles an hour, something around that range.
Okay. I mean, it is a track car, so keep that in mind.
I've heard of the 350. You probably know about oil consumption. It was a huge thing, a huge issue, especially with the 2016 model. And basically what would happen is they would drink 1 to 2 quarts every 500 to 1,000 miles, and that's just excessive. And that's without even like track driving. So he went to Ford over this. Ford honored the warranty that was on the car, and they put in a 2021 5.2 Gen 2 Voodoo, which the Gen 2 Voodoo of the 2020 and after model years featured the GT500 Predator block, the rods, the pistons, and some other things, but retained the flat plane crank. So this car is good for, people say 14 pounds of boost, but I know a couple people that have them up in like the 18, 19 range, and they're still existing. So my eventual plans would be to put a Whipple supercharger on it.
When it comes to the Gen 1 motors, it is kind of one of those things that people tend to shy away from now that the Gen 2s are out, because, you know, oil consumption and it just multiple other reasons as how those motors can go essentially bad. So when a lot of people go and buy the 350, not only are you spending a lot of money typically on a 350, you're spending a lot more when it comes to a Gen 2 version. And you really did get just such a good deal, because not only is it like a really, really nice Gen 1, you have the Gen 2 heart.
If you were to buy the Gen 2 from Ford and have them install it, it'd be between a $25,000 and a $30,000 job. The engine itself, I believe, is $24,000.
Jesus.
And not only that, but the car is still under warranty for the 2 years.
Oh, so you're golden.
So if I have any issues going forward, Ford will definitely honor the car and everything.
Well, there's a little, you know, back-end story of Gordon's GT350, and I remember he was telling me he was looking for one, couldn't find the right one, and then the next day it seems like he's like, yeah, I'm going to Georgia to go pick this one up. I was like, well, damn, that happened really quick, but I mean, for the price and stuff.
I kept it on the low too.
Yeah. And for what he paid, it's actually disgusting. Just know he paid less than what I paid for that.
And
a lot less. Check out this harness bar back here. This is probably my favorite thing, and I definitely want to get one of these done for Blucifer. That sounds damn good. Wow, that sounds good. All right, let's hop in this beauty. Let's get it. Let's go listen to this thing in all its glory. Drop a like up on this video right now. Do you have a name for the car?
Ellie.
Ellie, okay, Ellie. That's your ex's name, isn't it? Oh, she was smiling, bro. You had her smiling, dog. You might find your wife. You better slow down. Shit, man. You better slow down. Hold up. He don't want it.
You don't want it.
Oh, you're wildin'. It handles just so well, dude.
It's so good.
And the Throwback is so well paired to this thing, bro.
Rev matching in a 350 is god tier. The snaps are awesome. Handles like a little beast. All right, get out of my seat. Let me drive this thing.
All right.
There we go. That's pretty fitting. You all know, and I know you absolutely love how Derek is the most indecisive person you've ever met. And if I were to sell the S550 tomorrow, there's literally a list of you that would cry, and you'd probably make like a video like that one dude did when I sold the Cobra.
Did he?
Yeah.
Did that actually happen?
Yeah, some grown-ass man, like grown-ass man with a child, like with a kid, you know, supposed to be like setting examples in life. He went and spent about 48 hours, like his whole weekend, and he compiled every Cobra video I made, and he released a video that was like just shitting on me. But, disclaimer, he said it's not to rag on Derek.
Oh, well, just because he said that, it's fine.
Yeah, it's totally fine. That's why I'm cool with it, you know?
Like, it'd be like me being like, you know, Derek sucks, but then be like, no offense.
Exactly, yeah. So, yeah, some grown-ass man did that. That's cool. But just because, like, I'm not in the Cobra cult anymore.
Well, I mean, you're not a Cobra.
Dude, I'm not a I'm not a Cobra. So, yeah, true story. That actually happened. Something about the NA powered of a 350 with a Tremec, it doesn't really get much better than that, truthfully.
Man, with the way that car's looking right now, this might be the last manual Shelby.
Dude, you're not kidding. You're not kidding. Caught me by surprise. It does snatch though. That Tremec compared to the MT82, forget it. That shit is so smooth. Let's go straight a little bit. There's Gordon's next car. Sells a 350 for a Tesla. My manhood is gone. Like, bro, the dude got me so bad in the video. They're just like, real men drive Cobras. Ah! It's like, shit, you're right.
That guy robbed Derek of his man
Dude,
card
my
that
manhood
night.
is just stripped, dude. I got completely roasted. And I was also mentioned I shouldn't be doing YouTube full time because, you know, I just don't think I'm gonna make it. That was mentioned. Even though I've been, you know, making a good ass living for 3 years.
So how many subscribers does he have?
Oh, he has 1,000. He's been doing it for 13
Okay, well, bro,
years.
he's okay.
13 years, you know.
If he has
he's
1,000,
killing it.
then yeah, I mean, he might have you beat. I'm sorry.
Dog, he's killing it. So, how many 10 speeds have you been in?
1, 2.
1 or 2? Are they like full bolt-on and shit?
No.
No? Really?
Yeah, one was a single turbo,
Oh, well, fuck me.
and then one was just bone stock.
One was a single turbo.
One was bone stock, but I've never felt one that's like full bolt-on, like
Okay, so
modified Coyote kind of thing.
Yeah, mine's full bolt-on on 93 right now. I want to go take you in a drive for it and just
Okay.
kind of, you know, same thing. We'll flip. I'll let you drive it back.
Okay.
And you'll see why exactly I went with this. And granted, the 85, you know, obviously make a huge difference in these cars.
Oh yeah.
Well, I mean, for what it is, bro, I think it's gonna surprise you a little bit. Want to hit it? Ready?
Yeah, go for it. Oh, this bitch is fun.
It's pretty ridiculous, honestly.
Power glide? Do I get a reaction video or should I
Yeah,
get
hit a reaction.
All right.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
Bro, every shift is like you're gonna like punch in the stomach.
It rips, bro. I'm
Oh
telling
my
you.
god, how
And-
fast was that?
I don't know. I was not paying attention.
Okay.
But the crazy thing is, this is base tune. This is only one file Rob sent me. So like when we do E and we do the data logging and
Oh, it's gonna
stuff,
be
like
rowdy.
you know, we're gonna be really
Yeah.
able to pinpoint it. But
Yeah, this thing is really fucking moving, man.
yeah, I mean, it's people sleep on them, bro. They really do. I slept on them. I I talk so much junk on these cars because it's an auto, but here we can.
I mean, like, personally, I like the auto for like daily driving stuff,
Yeah.
but that Throwback is just.
And it's your only
too
like
nice to
big
me.
Mustang too, because I got
Exactly.
Booster for if I want to
Oh
drive
man, you got the
manual,
B&O too.
All right, give her a little second gear hit.
Oh my god! Holy shit!
Yeah, she scoots. She scoots,
Bro,
but
second gear eats.
yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad.
Yeah, I like it. I definitely like it, but I don't think this wouldn't fit like what I want out of a car.
Yeah, I can understand that.
But if I were to like daily drive my S150, like, you know, this could be like my everyday like race car kind of thing. 10 speed all the way, 100%.
All right. Well, that was fun. Yeah, it's bright as hell. Sorry for the squinting, but Gordon, I appreciate it, man. Sick car you have, guys. Go check him out. GT350 Gordon, right?
Yep, that's me.
Go check out his beauty. And you're going to Mustang Fest, right?
I'll be at Mustang
Yes,
Fest.
sir.
Come
I'm
say
sure.
hi.
Sure, we'll see you.
If you see the car, say hi.
Definitely don't sell this one.
No.
I mean, I'm nobody to talk, but
I know. And you know, most people in the water in Richmond. You know, we just can't
yeah.
stick on a Mustang. But no, this one's gonna stay around for a little bit.
Sweet.
Hopefully a long time.
For sure, man.
I've never owned a car this nice in my life, and I've owned quite a few. So.
All right. Well, there you have it, guys. New GT350. Meeting Hades. We'll catch you all Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern time for another video. Thank you all so much. Again, drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe. But until next time, we'll see you later.